morning guys, it's day 2 of vlogging my life for my future self. So today is Sunday and we have to go office, so let's get ready with me. Yesterday, I'm still worried about the friend, but I want to share this story with you so that if you are also going through the same. So yeah, what happened was she met a guy online on Tinder. So his name was Dr. Amol Patel. Gujarati. And my god, the story he built to tell her. So on his profile, when I saw, he was a 37 years old man. It said he's a doctor somewhere in Finland. Okay, and he's working on a cargo. So she trusted him, and he was like, I want to come back to India, to my father's land, and I will be coming here. And that's why I'm looking for an Indian woman to marry. Now, here's the catch, ladies. These fucking men are playing with your feelings and your weaknesses, okay? Because all of us, we want to settle down, we want to have a good husband who looks good, who's rich also, who have a nice job also, and they know it. They know it. So yeah, this happened.
After 2 months, he said that he's coming back to India to meet her. Specifically to meet her. So, and he was like, I'll come there, I'll meet you, and if everything goes right, I want to meet your parents also.
After 1 week of this conversation, he said, baby, I got leave, my leave is approved, and I submitted my travel agent submitted my documents also, and he sent her tickets. Okay, I saw those tickets, they looked fake. There was no date, there was nothing, and it was all edited. I could see it, but she couldn't because, of course, she was a normal girl. And because I travel a lot, I know all these things. It was fake ticket altogether. And plus, that ticket was from Helsinki to Bangalore, not Delhi. I was like, why not Delhi? Why not Delhi? Because he knew if it was Delhi, she would come to receive her. That's why he edited it till Bangalore. So yeah, this happened, and when it was the date of his arrival, he comes to the Bangalore airport and she gets a call from customs saying, ma'am, there is this guy, Amol Patel. Do you know him? She was like, yes, I know him. I'm waiting to see him. He's my boyfriend. And she said, sorry, there was a lady on the customs that, ma'am, we found this man having a lot of cash at the airport, and he cannot take this cash anywhere. There will be a fees, a custom fees that he has to pay. Okay, how much money does he need? And he was also like, please baby, help me here. I will return you this money in 1 or 2 days. She was like, fine. How much is this? And it was like 45,800 rupees they asked from her. 45,800. She was like, okay. अब मतलब आपको सुन के लगेगा कि हाँ कोई टैक्स अमाउंट हो सकता है जिससे जो इतने अमाउंट का इतना बनता है तो ऐसे. Very smart, very good. She gave that money to them. They gave her a government account number, SBI का कोई account number था, and they asked her to transfer the money on that number. Poor girl transferred the money, and after 15-20 minutes, she gets another call from the same lady saying, ma'am, अब इसका इंश्योरेंस होगा, अब इस अमाउंट का इंश्योरेंस भी लगता है, तो आप बिना इंश्योरेंस के इसको नहीं ले सकते. एंड शी गॉट वरीड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल शी गॉट एंग्री. शी वाज लाइक, व्हाट इज दिस, यू डिडंट टेल मी दिस बिफोर, और ये और वो. दोस्त गाइस न्यू कि अगर उसको वो पहले इतना बड़ा अमाउंट बोल देते, उन्होंने मांगा था 1,25,000. अगर वो उसको इतना बड़ा अमाउंट पहले बोल देते तो वो शायद नहीं देती. पहले उन्होंने उससे 50,000 मांगे और उसके बाद वो उससे 1,25,000 रुपये मांगे थे. 1,25,000. She got worried and she was like, fuck it. I have a friend in Bangalore. I'll call him and I'll ask him to come there and sort this out. So she cut the call. She called me and asked me if I have any friend there. I was like, yes. So there was this guy I met in my Europe trip. He's a lawyer, Rohit. And he was there in Bangalore. So I called Rohit. He was there in Bangalore that time. I called him and I was like, yeah, can you help me with this thing? There is a friend whose boyfriend is stuck at the airport, and this is the story. He didn't take a second before saying, Sakshi, tell your friend it's a fucking scam. And I was like, the fuck? And it cannot happen with us. We are intelligent women. We are smart women. It can't happen with them. And no, Rohit, there is a guy. They've been talking since last 2.5 months. No, it could not happen with Sakshi. Tell your friend that she has been scammed and she should just block those numbers and report this ASAP. I cut the call. I called her back and I was like, bro, we got scammed and please just block these numbers and get ready and come to me. We'll go to police station and report this. She was like, Sakshi, no, this, that. I'm like, bro, it's not a time to cry. It's time to act. You can just cry in the cab. Okay, you can just cry in the cab. We just couldn't We just want love, guys. We just want love. I understand that, but they are scamming girls like this. You cannot. My motive was to tell you that please don't chase love, and at least not on dating sites.
This is the dress we are wearing today for the office for the summers. I got this from Lifestyle.
I mean, अक्ल ठोकर खाने से आती है, बादाम खाने से नहीं. तो आई एम हैप्पी फॉर हर कि वो इतने में ही निमट गई. अदरवाइज इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा स्कैम भी हो सकता था.
So this is our quick fit check for today.
My cab's here, and we are going to office now. I hope the day is good. We have reached office. Let's go. People are waiting for us. Gudu. Cold water. Good morning.
Thank you. Our cold coffee for the day.
And he being proud of his brother. Aww. मैंने सबके टिफिन चुराते हैं. पनीर आया भाई.
अच्छा रोटी सब्जी नहीं है
कुछ तो बुरा हुआ है मम्मी के साथ. आई डोंट गिव अ फक अबाउट इट. हम खाने पे कंसंट्रेट करते हैं. दूसरे से चुराया हुआ खाना ज़्यादा टेस्टी लगता है भाई. खोलो इसको.
तुम ही बोल देता ना कि मेरे को अपना दे दो फोन मैं भी चेक करूंगा क्या कर दिया
आज तो 8 कैसे बज गए पता ही नहीं चला. आज तो 8 बज गई. भूख भी नहीं लग रही है. दिमाग और ख़राब हो रहा है.
We'll be leaving for the day. I'll just check in with everybody. Guys, मैं जा रही हूँ. ठीक है? Bye. Bye अर्जुन. I've started vlogging my life क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है मैं अकेली ही ज़िंदगी में अकेली मरने वाली हूँ. मैं अकेली ही मरने वाली हूँ ज़िंदगी में. तो मैं अपनी अकाउंट को स्टॉप करूँगी 60 साल की उम्र में बैठ के. So yeah, utilizing my time well. आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर मौला जी. आंटी के 10 ईयर कम हो गए हैं. Oh my God. भाई jealousy हो रही है मेरे को. चुप्पी के डालना. भाई क्यूट, बहुत क्यूट. जुल्फे ओ भाई प्यारा एप्पल कट. बिल्कुल प्रियंका चोपड़ा नहीं. अंजानी कुछ ज्यादा ही. इनका वो वाला था क्या, हेयर होल्ड फीलिंग्स. सारी ही फीलिंग्स घटा दिए. जब अपना कटता है ना तो बाहर भी घटाने पड़ते हैं.
दीदी का मैं मैसेज किया था इडली बनी है आ जा. इडली ने अंडे दिए.
मतलब जो एक्स्ट्रा आएंगे वो हटाना पड़ेगा. लेकिन एक्स्ट्रा मेरे इधर आते थे ना तो वही हटाने पड़ेंगे. और कुछ नहीं. और फोरहेड प्लस पहले नहीं पूरा तो अच्छी लगा. इसमें तो एक बात है. ये मिशेलिन स्टार रेसिपी बन रही है ये, जिसके लिए हम आते हैं यहाँ पे. दिव्या स्पेशल.
खाली सच गई है. अरे मैं दिव्या दीदी का रूम तो दिखाना भूल ही गई. ये जो ओयो वर्दी रूम है इनका. दिव्या ओयो वर्दी रूम है तेरा. देखो दिल सब है. दिल है, लाइट्स है.
ये अपने हाथों से बनाया है
हाथों से सजाया है बोलते हैं. अच्छा बनाया है. ओहो इसका एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज लगेगा गाइस. मेरा सेंस में बहुत अच्छा है. आपको धीरे धीरे पता चलेगा. जिनका खराब होता है ना वैसे ही बोलते हैं. चलो अब हम खाएंगे खाना. सी यू इन 5 minutes.
भाई दीदी ने बाल कटाए हैं. दीदी के पास अपने बाल पड़े हुए हैं. The first thought that came into my mind was काला जादू करते हैं. Just the first thought came into her mind was काला जादू. That's how we know we are best friends.
ओके मुंडे दी तुर तुर.
अरे रशिया से ये बाहर से आके हिंदुइज्म और इन सब पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं. और इंडिया वाले घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. समोसा दूसरे के घर जाके अच्छा लगता है. खुद खरीद के खाते तब नहीं अच्छा. डन फॉर द डे. आज काफी ही बातें हो गई हैं. बहुत ज्ञान चोट दिया है हमने. So good night for the day. Bye.